What up, what up, what up? What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? I don't know if we were debating if we were going to do it in this break or not. I said, yeah, I'm going to do it. I like doing it anyways. So, we're going to do it. We're going to do it. It's home of the full or not. That's why we do it. 3 leaf metal draft and 2 Inception. If you don't know what time it is, it's break 30 here at Lucky Breaks. 6995. It's like, I'm not going to go all 10 minutes, 15 minutes before. So I'll go like 5 minutes before. We're breaking it, full or not. I'm not too worried about it. And we're going to see what we get. That's what we're going to do, guys. I'm jazzed up. Totally caught up. Getting on my way home. Last leg of the trip. And no complaints. So we'll do it. 3 and 2. 3 baseball metal draft. And if you don't remember this, we did this starting out a long time ago. Pulling out my goodie bags here. I'll show you what I got. Youngstown Card Shop. Very good people. Cool card shop. No joke. If you're ever around there. In this Triangle area, trading cards. That was a nice card shop too. Right here in this right side of Raleigh. They call it the Triangle area. Card shop. Both great shops in their own way. Different. They're not the same. Different, but both great shops. So we got the thick card sleeves. I'm going to throw these out. These are just a little bent. Throw those out. We don't need those. Because I do have the thin card sleeves here. We're all set. We're set on the last leg before I head home. What up, what up, what up? Is it Friday? Doesn't even feel like a Friday. No, it's Thursday, Trent. Hopefully it's not Friday. I'm leaving Saturday, so hopefully it's not Friday. Okay, it's Thursday. Whew. Well, happy Friday to you too, if it's Friday where you're at. 6995, we got 1 minute till break time. We're going to get rolling right, and it is that time. Oh, I got the knife. Perfect. So 3-box leaf metal draft, 22 teams left. You had me going, brother. I was like, shoot, Friday already? Angels 26, A's 103, Blue Jays, Cards, Cubs, Dodgers 101, Giants 24, Guardians 14, Mariners 13. So you got some good, you got pretty much everything in between on this one. Oops, sorry, it goes like that. Leaf Metal Draft Edition. Now we're back on Thursday. Trent the Best was talking. And Trent, I was watching that Field of Dreams game. Twins and Phillies were playing. Twins, I could see how you get the Twins. They got a lot of young guys. They got a lot of young guys. So 3 boxes Leaf Metal Draft. And we're doing 2 Inceptions. So it should be a pretty good break. Pretty cool break, I would imagine. Tomorrow, I guess we're reducing right now, so pay attention, guys. To what I just got told from the peeps upstairs. Now, I don't control that. tell me what's going on. I say, okay. It's my job to let you guys know. 6-9. The ants have watched yet. What the hell's Trent the Best saying? True Burst, Bo Jackson. Three boxes of the Leaf Metal Draft. We'll put those right there. We could put a box over it so we can't see. Should be good. 2 Inceptions. Just reduced again. Pay attention. I was like, should we do it? Should we wait till tomorrow? I was like, no, I want a break. I want to see what's going on. Ooh. That felt big. That felt chunky. Now, the last time it felt chunky, what did we hit? High school leather down to 55 from 61. Okay, we're going to reduce as fast as we can every 30 seconds. Rockies down to 10. Red Sox 31. Rays 11, Rangers 22, Pirates 51, Padres 13, Orioles 34, Nationals 54. Pay attention, because once we start going, White Sox off the board from what I saw. Oh, maybe not. Oh, okay, White Sox off the board. Oh, Griffey, yes, absolutely. And then you seen Clemens, yeah. Yeah, it was, watch out with Bonds over there. He's back in baseball. You might see his stuff going crazy. Best hitter in baseball from what I don't even know. We got to bring back the steroid area. We only have 7 people over 300. What the hell? Okay, we have 2 Inceptions, 3 Leaf Metal Draft, 21 teams, 24 for the Angels. They go down from there. I say we go every 30 seconds or as fast as we can to get this thing reduced so we can break it. So we're going to work on that, guys. So pay attention because when they're gone, they gone. Okay, just got okay from upstairs for every 30 seconds. Pay attention because when they're gone, they're gone. And that way we don't have to sit here all night. We can get this thing moving just like I want it. Get some action. Let's roll. Let's do it. What the hell? He did. He did. Mike D had some nice Dodgers hits. He hit that Roki Sasaki. And he hit that stinking, was it Will Smith? Auto? Yeah, and the Inception hit the back-to-back. I was like, good, maybe a little slow. Well, tomorrow we're going to get Pristine and some Topps Chrome. I think. We'll see. Be back on Monday. And I have to say, it was a great trip. There's nothing to pan. We're here. pan. Those are the 2 Inceptions, and those are the 3 leaf metal draft. These are the top loaders that I'll be using. I like this system right here because it has like 4 sizes in one. So that's the key that I'm going to try to do there. That's what I like. The key, I like this little setup here. Even though I have extras over here on the side, just in case the break starts getting a little bit crazy. You know what I'm saying? $20 teams. Well, we're going to fill time by that 20, reducing every 30 seconds. That's how we're going to fill that time. But I like it. I like it. Rockies are off the board. 21 teams left. We're going every 30 seconds or as fast as we can with filling in the spots when they come. As every break is first come, first served. I love it. Getting to wind down. I just saw my cards I shipped to the show. Got to my house. Man, I don't know if I lost some big boxes or someone yanked them. We'll see. The jury's still out on that. What up? What up? 3 boxes leaf metal draft. We're going to go till we're closed in 2 Inceptions. Let's see what we got here. Uh-oh. Looks like 2 for the Mariners. We know what you're talking about. We say the Mainers. We know what you're talking about. We know. 19 left. We're going to go really quick because we want to get this thing rolling, guys. So pay attention. It will go fast. Every 30 seconds or as fast as we can go is what we're doing. We don't want to be up here all night. Zach for the Mariners. So pick another team, Trent. Mariners got taken. Okay, he picks the Guardians. Fletcher with the Yankees. Fletcher with the Angels and Padres. Like I said, we'll go every 30 seconds as fast as we can get them in because we want to get this thing on the road. Are you kidding me? What the hell? Where'd my Theo Hill lady go? Rays are off the board. I guess they went too low. Pay attention, guys. I'm telling you. And then tomorrow we're going to get some pristine and some more Topps Chrome. So pay attention on that too. You know, my sister, so it's like I can D-backs and Guardians. Nice, Trent. 14 left. High school other 43. Twins 17. Red Sox 21. Rangers 16. Pirates 40. Orioles 24. Nats 42. Mets 21. Giants 16. Dodgers 72. Cubs 28. A's 75. Blue Jays 16. Cards 17. Cubs 28. Dodgers 72. That's all there's left, whatever those teams are. Let's go, let's go. Let's lucky break. We're tired of nonsense. Panty, we're ready to go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We got the 3 boxes right there and the 2 box Inception. Let me see what the Inception's got. The Inception's got a fatty right there. It's going to be a redemption here and a fatty here. This is going to be insane. Whew. Don't say I didn't say anything. Red Sox. What did the Red Sox start doing? Going backwards, mate, Rui? Medis. The Medis. Medis off the board. The Red Sox. 12 left. High school other 41. Twins 16. Twins are going to be gone. Rangers 15. They're going to be gone. Pirates 38. They're going to be gone. Giants, did he get them? He did. They were next. Dodgers 69. Cubs 26. Cardinals 16. Blue Jays 15. A's 72. Basically, as fast as I can reduction and keep up, let you guys know what's going on and fill in the teams as we get them. I don't know if that's a good strategy, but at least we're going to get this thing rolling. 72 for the A's. Blue Jays 15. Cards 16. Cubs 26. Dodgers 69. Nats 40. Orioles 22. Pirates 38, Rangers 15, Twins 16, high school other 41. Ooh, the high school other one might be tricky there. I don't care. I think I got a team or two. Dude, totally again. 8 innings, 0 runs. Jeez, are you kidding me? I could see how he could be a fan favorite. He's a stud. We just reduced again, guys. This is your last chance for alcohol in some of these teams, okay? Twins, last call for alcohol. They're 15 now. They're gone. Next reduction. Rangers, last call for alcohol. They're 14. Pay attention to what's going on. Blue Jays, 14. Next reduction, they're gone. Cards, 15. Next reduction, they're gone. Cubs, 24. Dodgers, 66. Nats, 38. Orioles, 20. Next reduction, they're gone. Pirates, 36. Okay, 30 seconds. We're reducing every 30 seconds. Blue Jays are off the board. Looks like they got gone. Cubs, DeFrieda says, I've seen enough. I've seen enough. Give me the Cubs, he says. Blue Jays, Mike Lee says, give me the Blue Jays. No, that guy is a stud. He's got character. He's a big boy. He's a big boy. Okay. 5 left, guys. It's seriously the last call for alcohol in these last 5. A's 66, Cubs 22, 4 left. Last call for alcohol in the last 4. Sure, Mike Lee will get with the Jays. We'll do Mike Lee with the Jays. He barely didn't get it. He's got to pay over half. Yeah, 50. You got it. Twins. Trent the best. Man, Twins, what a great team. I don't see the Twins available. Yeah, you missed them a long time ago. Last 4, A's 66, Dodgers 63, Nats 36, Pirates 34. Oh, don't do that to me. Okay. We're going every 30 seconds. We're just fixing it up here. Gonna get it all up to date, and then we're gonna go again, guys. We're gonna be right breaking in probably less than 2 minutes. Because if you ain't getting those teams, we're reducing first come, first serve. Don't get caught out of the game. Or go ahead, get caught out the game and watch from the sidelines. No biggie, but we're going. 6999995. We're going to get everything caught up, worked on the break, get everything updated, and then we're going to go. We got 3 boxes Leaf Metal Draft and 2 boxes Inception. We got the 3 boxes right there, and we got the 2 boxes there. And I'm telling you, I think we hit a booklet. I'm just saying, it's thick. This one's a redemption, but I think we got another booklet. We hit a booklet the other day, so it wouldn't surprise me if we hit another one now. Get those last 3 teams before they're gone, because once they gone, they gone. A's 66, Dodgers 63, Nats 36, and Pirates 34. Going once. I don't know. Ding, 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 ding. Rui did a great job. Hey, if I'm around and I'm traveling, which we got to get Mike DeFreitas. Well, Mike DeFreitas is inland. I'm going to take a trip to California, but I'm going up the coast. I think Mike DeFreitas is inland. 4 left. 4 teams left. Those are the same 4. A's down to 60, Dodgers 57, Nats 32, Pirates 30. No crying when they hit. No crying when they hit. We're going every 30 seconds on the last 4. It shouldn't take too long. Especially the Pirates. They're going to be gone next hit. They're 30 now. They were 57. Are you kidding me? Nationals, same thing. They're 32. They were 60. 114. Dodgers. Okay, Dodgers are gone. I'm going to get the final countdown. I think there's 2 or 3 left. Maybe 1. Maybe the A's is the last team left. I don't know, but I'm ready to go. Who's ready to go? 1 team left, A's for 57. A's 57, going once, going twice. Okay. Well, if someone gets the A's for 57, we'll hold it up. If not, we're going to continue on the road. The Naturals. Jensen Hirschkorn. Last team A's for 57. They were 111. Going once, going twice. Closed. Jensen Hirschkorn. So we'll give it a second. We'll update the list, and then we're continuing the break. Ding, 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 ding. Jensen Hirschkorn, the Naturals. Actually, nice stock for the Leaf. For the Braves. And here we go, guys. Zion Rose. Zion Rose. He just sounds like a baseball name. It's got the auto for it. Number 32. And the Zion Rose. Will Brick. Zion Rose for the Royals. Oh, I hope that person gets the Bo Jackson too. Will Brick for the Jays. Maddox Maloney for the Naturals. Not numbered. Well, Maddox Maloney. Trey Phelps, 7/10 on the Clearly. Maloney on the Tigers. Trey Phelps, 7/10. Leaf Pier, Clearly. Jensen Hirschkorn. Oh, we got another Jensen Hirschkorn. Phelps is on the Pirates. More Hirschkorn. So we hit him earlier. That was that first card we hit. Ethan Kleinschmidt. Leaf Pure Prospects. It's probably the high school other. Alex Hernandez is on the A's. Oh, hopefully got someone picked up the A's. If they didn't, well, then Alex Hernandez is on the A's. And then Jacob Lombard. So Lombard Jr., Korshkorn's on the Marlins, and then Lombard is Jacob Lombard Jr.'s brother or something. Box number 2. Oh, look at this one. This one looks sick. 4 of 6. Tomas Valenkias. Tomas Valenkias. Draft class 27. That's how my name was supposed to be spelled. Tomas. Tyler Spangler. High school other for the Tomas. Tyler Spangler. Is that the Phillies? I remember like Rui getting this. Spangler action. Wilbrick. Pure Prospects. Wilbrick is on the Jays. Spangler on the Phillies. Lucas Moore. Lucas Moore on the Guardians. Cadian Walker. Leaf Pure Prospects 2 of 5. Walker. Walker on the Giants. Joey Valchko. 22 to 75 for the White Sox. Gavin Gallagher. Leaf Pure Prospects for the high school other. Carson Tinney. Carson Tinney for the Twinkies. And Von Lackey. Is this guy a stud too? This Von Lackey seems for the Twinkies. Hopefully someone got the Twinkies. Tyler, ring my bell. Tyler Bell. TB. Trey Phelps. Tyler Bell's the Rockies. Trey Phelps, is he the Rays? Trey Phelps for the Pirates. Tegan Coons. For the Cardinals. Rentaro Sasaki for the Miami Marlins. Man, if you collect Sasaki, this is a good product to get him. Caden Walker. Not numbered. For the Giants. Jake McCoy. The real McCoy, the Naturals. I got the 20s. Jake McCoy for the high school other. Denton Lord. Leaf Pure Prospects. for the high school other. Caden Bogenpole. Oh, dude, nice hit. Caden Bogenpole. The Naturals for the Phillies. And Gary Matthews. Draft pass. Wow, 1986 first round, 17th overall for the Giants. Nice hit for the Giants. That's pretty cool. 2 of 2 for the Gary Matthews. It's a nice hit. Whoever got the Giants. Let's go pack number 1. Mike DeFreitas. Nice hit, Mikey Mike. Love it, brother. Okay, let's go into this. Thomas Harrington for the Pittsburgh Pirates rookie. Ronald Acuna. Logan Webb for the San Francisco Giants. Ellie De La Cruz for the Cincinnati Reds. For the White Sox. Tim Elko to 299. Little South Side. Paul Skeens and things for the Pirates. And Bobby Witt, too legit. Ain't going to quit. To 99. But let's see if we got a booklet in this bad boy. We do. James, too good to be wood. Augusta Ramirez for the Miami Marlins. Ryan Bliss for the Seattle Mariners. Will Warren. Paul Skeens to 150. Cameron Meisner and Will Warren rookie. And 2025 Inception 8 to 25. Nick Kurtz. When it hurts, it hurts. Holy cow. Are you kidding me? Dude, nice booklet. Whoever picked up the A's. I don't know. The A's were there for a while. Did someone pick them up? Did someone pick up the Athletics is my question. I hope so. Uh-oh. Maybe someone didn't. I don't know. Nice booklet, though, for the Athletics. Whew. Telling you guys, nice hits, guys. I appreciate it. Winding it down. I should be home early next week. Just got a property I got to inspect, Central Florida, and then I'll be home. Everything looks like it's getting caught up. And we'll roll with the punches, guys. Thank you, guys. We'll see you guys later. Peace.